Have you been using the Instagram app and wondering on how to fix the Instagram algorithm? Then this tutorial is for you. The Instagram algorithm can be tricky, but understanding how it works can help you get more engagement on your post. Let's go over the top strategies to find your Instagram reach and boost your visibility. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram algorithm. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now the first step to fix the Instagram algorithm is post consistently. The algorithm favors active accounts. Aim for regular posts and stories and reels to stay visible. Now to post, simply tap onto plus button right here, just like this, and add the post or choose one of the posts that you want to post, just like this, and tap onto next. Then after doing it, tap onto next. You can also edit it from the given toolbars just right here. Then add a caption, add a catchy caption, and after doing it, simply add your location, add music, you can edit it, and after doing it, you can simply tap on to share to post. Now keep on posting for about 3-4 times a week and you will get some engagement on your photos or videos. Now the second step is engage with your audience. And to do that, simply go to your profile icon. You can find a post, and there you can have your video, and in your post you can simply see your comments, and in the comments simply reply to it, and you can simply get more engagement on it. By doing this, Instagram tells your account is active. Then you can simply use hashtags strategically. Use a mix of popular niche and relevant hashtags. Just choose a post like this, tap onto next and add a caption and simply add hashtags just like this. Doing this increases discoverability on both feeds and the explore page. And the final step is use Instagram stories and reels. Now go to the reels and simply use the audio or reels just like this. By simply doing this, you will get more engagement and more views. And to add stories, simply tap onto the story at the top just right here and add a story just like this. And after doing it, you can simply post it. And that's it. These are the steps that you can fix the Instagram algorithm. Fixing the Instagram algorithm starts with posting high quality content and engaging with your followers. Stay consistent and your reach will improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.